slay Paris, slay, slay, slay Paris, slay Paris, slay Paris, slay, slay, slay Paris.
What's poppin', guys? It's your girl Slay Paris here, and I just got a package in the mail. And I mean, like, normally I would just open a package and go about my business, but first of all, this package came super quick, like super quick. Like, I ordered it yesterday and it's here today, and I was like, hold up, because this is not Amazon.com. This is KKW fragrance. And the last time I bought a KKW fragrance, it took me almost 2 months to receive. So I'm just excited right now. And the reason why I even picked this fragrance up was because I watched Kylie Jenner's, was it her What's in My Bag video yesterday, and she was talking about the award-winning fragrance that she came up with for KKW fragrance, and the way she was describing it. And I mean, obviously it's your product, so you're gonna describe it the way you want to describe it to get the consumer to want to purchase it. But I was just really curious on how this smelled, so I bought it, and honestly, I already know what y'all gonna say. Paris, oh my god, I can't believe you support Kylie Jenner. Oh my god, I can't believe you're making her richer. First of all, I don't only support Kylie Jenner, I support the whole Kardashian clan and Jenner clan, okay? I just like them. That's just what it is. I'm not gonna sit up here and lie and act like I don't like them. I watch them, I like them, I buy their products, I like Skims. Skims is hella comfy. Like, I like the Kardashian and Jenner family, and that's just point blank period. And second of all, you're making her richer. Oh, she's already rich. Me buying this perfume and a couple other items listen, she rich. She gonna be rich. She ain't gonna never be rich. It's like, it's done. It's written in stone. So, with that being said, I got the Kylie Jenner Nude perfume on hand right now. The reason why I didn't buy it before watching her What's in My Bag video is because I don't like the bottle. I don't like this lip bottle. I don't think it's cute. Like, I don't see anything attractive about this whatsoever. I like cute, luxurious looking bottles. This just looks very cheap, which is not very me. But at the end of the day, no one's seeing the bottle that you used out of your fragrance. They're smelling you, so that's all that really matters. So I'm gonna give you guys my honest opinion on this scent. I'm gonna let you guys know if Kylie Jenner is just boosting when she's talking about this is the most gorgeous scent she's ever smelled. I'm gonna let you guys know if it's worth the money. And apparently it's award winning, so we're gonna see if the award show was rigged or not. Cause I always tell the truth. See, me personally, I don't like packaging like this because it just makes it seem very cheap. Personally, this is a lot smaller than I thought it was gonna be, cause, hold up. It's a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be, but who thought it was going to be this big? What am I talking about? Anyways, I don't like packaging with like plastic packaging. When I get my perfumes, they're normally just in the box, and for some reason that just makes it more luxurious in my eyes. But anyways, let's pop this out. Girl, get out. Are you serious? It should not be this hard. I'm going to break a nail. Oh gosh, this is way too hard to come out. Like, I don't understand why it needs to be this secure. Thank you.
Wow, that's so sick.
So this is what the bottle looks like up close. It has like an iridescent finish on it. So like when the light hits it in certain angles, you get like almost this rainbow iridescent gloss over it. It says Kylie Jenner by KKW fragrance on the back. And then when we open it up, ooh, this is what it looks like. But now that I have it opened up, it's like this is all that I'm getting. Like, all the fragrance is only in here. It's heavy for no reason. Like, this is made out of glass. That's what it feels like anyways. But damn, that means that all of the perfume is in this. That's not a lot. How many ml is this? Oh, it's only 30 ml. I don't even know. I don't remember how much I paid for this. I hope I did not pay over $100 for a 30 ml perfume. That would be so stupid of me. But knowing me, I buy stuff and then I figure out how much it was cost after it's delivered. I don't know what my problem is. Anyways, y'all, let's spray this and see what it smells like and if it's worth the award that it won. I'm very underwhelmed, to be completely honest with you. Very underwhelmed. Look at my face. Like, are you serious, bro? I don't know if you guys know, but I collect perfumes. You guys should know by now if you watch my channel. I do collect perfumes, so like I guess I have a high, like not tolerance. So I guess I have high expectations for new perfumes that I buy. This is just very underwhelming. I don't know how to explain it to you. It smells like something I already have. Almost like, not a Juicy Couture. What does this smell like? Not Gucci Guilty. I don't know. It smells like something I have in my cabinet already. And I mean, it just smells like a floral, it's just like a really soft floral scent. It's nothing to be going crazy over, to be completely honest with you. And like I said, I love me some Kylie Jenner, so I'm not being biased. I'm underwhelmed, to be completely honest with you. But this is coming from someone who has over 200 perfumes. Someone else who just wants like a really nice fragrance, you'll definitely like it. It's a pretty scent, but I'm just very underwhelmed, and I guess I had really high expectations for it, and it just smells like a regular floral perfume to me. So I don't know what kind of award it won, because there are definitely perfumes out there that will make you go, whoa, and this is not one of them. So I'm low-key disappointed. But like, if you like floral scents, this is suitable for like, yeah, date night. I'll probably start using this as my bedtime perfume, honestly. When I'm not really in love with perfumes like that, I use them to wear to bed. So I'll probably use this for my bedtime perfume. A lot of other people will find the bottle cute. I don't find it that cute. And if I had to give it a rating out of 10, I would give it a... I give it a 7, but I am very much underwhelmed. But hey, I'm going out soon, so I might as well wear it out. Why not? Anyways, guys, that is my first impressions and review of the KKW by Kylie Jenner Perfume in Nude. Giving it a 7 out of 10. Anyone who likes floral, soft scents, you'll definitely like it. I just have high standards when it comes to perfume. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you have any of the KKW fragrances and what your favorite one is. I have most of the KKW fragrances other than their Diamond collection, the one with the green, blue, and red. I haven't tried that one out yet, and this low-key makes me not want to buy it. But if you have a favorite KKW fragrance that you think I should try, so I could pick it up and let you guys know how I feel about them, yeah, that's about it. I love you guys so much. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram, and TikTok. All of that is in the description box down below for your convenience. Mwah! See you in the next one.
Bye.